Hello everyone, this is Akash.
Hello everybody, this is it.
In this video, we are going to show you how to how to get GPS for Pokemon Go. So first you need to go to Play Store. You need to download an app named Fly GPS. Fly GPS. Then download this app. I have already downloaded, so now open it. So this will show you the map of the world. So you can choose any location as per your choice. So it is loading. It would take some time. It is loaded. So I am taking Thailand. Let's take Bangkok. So now you took select this. Now GPS service run. Now move location mode. And now it started. Let's open the app Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go! Hello friends, this is Situ, Mitul.
So it will take some time to load, and it started loading. And now you can see you are having a joystick and you can move it. So it is moving now.
And we are in Thailand. You can see that we are in Thailand and we are having a joystick. And see, we have got a Pokemon. And we have got a gym place.
Thank you for watching.